Hello friends, welcome to St. Thomas School. Friday session, class 5, lesson number 15, disaster and rescue. We see and hear about many events happening around us. Vehicle accident, child falls from vehicle, child is falling down while flying kites, somewhere fire, breakouts, floods, earthquakes, cyclone, or some other disasters happening around us. Such event cause damage to the personal and public property. Sometimes loss of life is also there. This is called due to such a disaster. Government of India has set up a disaster management plan, a rescue plan. For this, special training is given. Now, look at this. There is one observation that many people are shouting from a bridge when a one or two person is rowing into the river's water. So it is very difficult to rescue a person who is drowning into the river water. This is happening oftenly, and we are reading in the newspaper about it because people are not taking care for that such kind of thing. If there are floods in the village, what type of problems occur? Then we can observe that everywhere water will be there. Many things are disturbed. People cannot get sufficient needful things for the day-to-day life, and sometimes it is a loss of life and property also. Damage caused due to the flood is the main thing is agriculture crops, some row houses, some kacha house which is not built of cement and concrete floods away, animals and human beings not get clean water. Many things occur because of the causes of floods. When there is excessive rainfall, these things are seen always. Through the various questions, we have come to know about the occurrence of the flood is a disaster. We have to face a lot of problems during such a disaster. When a storm occurs, heavy wind is blowing, everything is flying away with it, roofs are uplifting, and tree planting is also get disturbed, and sometimes trees are also uprooted with it, and people are in a terrific situation under this. The house is on a fire, then people are running here and there, fetching water and trying to put on it till the rescue operation comes. Then inside the houses whatever important things are there is getting burned, and it is disturbed also. Sometimes it is fully burning and it is damaging lot of things in the houses if we are not aware or taking care about the fire. Then if you eat outside food, then also we will be in the trouble. Many a times in a group marriages people are eating stale food, and at a time 50-60 people are feeling vomiting and diarrhea, then all will be in the trouble. In hospital people are rushing for getting the treatments, and it is very difficult for a doctor to control the situation. We can see or we can observe many a times. It happens due to our carelessness. If we are getting some advanced level management training regarding the disaster management, then we can do something. In the next picture, we shall have a more discussion about it. Till then, I remain. Thank you.